Tylenol, a ubiquitous presence in medicine cabinets worldwide, is a non-prescription medication primarily used to alleviate pain and reduce fever. Its active ingredient, acetaminophen, offers effective relief when used responsibly, though understanding its proper dosage and potential risks is paramount for safe consumption. The everyday ally, understanding Tylenol. For decades, Tylenol has been a trusted companion in managing everyday aches, pains, and fevers. From a nagging headache to the discomfort of a common cold, its promise of relief is a familiar one. Yet, beneath its common usage lies a sophisticated pharmaceutical history and a critical need for informed consumption. This essay will delve into the journey of this household staple, exploring its origins, how it works, the vital importance of safe dosing, and what consumers need to know to harness its benefits responsibly. A legacy of relief. The genesis of acetaminophen. The story of Tylenol truly begins with its active ingredient, acetaminophen, also known as paracetamol in many parts of the world. First synthesized in the late 19th century, it wasn't until the mid-20th century that its therapeutic potential was fully recognized. Researchers were looking for alternatives to aspirin, which, while effective, often caused stomach irritation in some individuals. Acetaminophen emerged as a promising candidate, offering similar pain-relieving and fever-reducing properties without the same gastrointestinal side effects. McNeil Laboratories introduced Tylenol in 1955, initially marketed as a prescription drug for children under the name Tylenol Elixir. The name itself is a clever derivation from its chemical designation, N-acetylparabenophenol. Its gentle nature on the stomach quickly made it popular, and by 1960, it was available over-the-counter OTC, rapidly becoming a staple in homes across America and beyond. This marked a significant shift in pain management, offering a new, accessible option for individuals seeking relief. The science of comfort. How Tylenol works. Unlike nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs NSAIDs like ibuprofen or naproxen, Tylenol acetaminophen doesn't primarily work by reducing inflammation. Its exact mechanism of action is still not fully understood, but it's believed to act mainly in the central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord. It's thought to inhibit the production of prostaglandins, which are chemicals in the body that promote pain and fever. By interfering with these signals, acetaminophen effectively raises the body's pain threshold and helps to lower an elevated body temperature. This targeted action makes Tylenol an excellent fever reducer and an effective pain reliever for mild to moderate discomfort. It's commonly used for headaches, muscle aches, backaches, toothaches, menstrual cramps, and the general aches and pains associated with colds and flu. Its unique profile means it's often recommended for individuals who cannot take NSAIDs due to stomach issues, kidney problems, or certain cardiovascular conditions, highlighting its distinct role in the spectrum of available medications. Navigating the limits. The critical importance of dosage. While Tylenol is incredibly effective and generally safe when used as directed, it carries a significant risk if misused. Liver damage. Acetaminophen has a relatively narrow therapeutic window, meaning the difference between a safe and an unsafe dose is not as wide as with some other medications. Exceeding the recommended dosage can lead to severe and potentially fatal liver toxicity or hepatotoxicity, even in otherwise healthy individuals. It is absolutely crucial to follow the instructions on the label carefully. For adults, the maximum daily dose is typically 3,000 mg to 4,000 mg, depending on the specific product and formulation. But many healthcare professionals recommend staying below 3,000 mg. Children's dosages are based on weight and age. and parents must use appropriate measuring devices and consult their pediatrician or pharmacist. A common pitfall is accidentally taking too much acetaminophen by combining different medications that all contain the ingredient, such as a cold remedy and a separate pain pill. Always check the active ingredients of all medications you are taking to avoid accidental overdose. Beyond the standard pill, varieties and combinations. Tylenol isn't just a single pill. It comes in a vast array of forms and formulations designed to meet diverse needs. You can find it as standard tablets, caplets, gel caps, and extended release options that provide longer-lasting relief. For children, there are liquid suspensions, chewable tablets, and even suppositories. This versatility ensures that individuals of all ages and preferences can find a suitable option for their symptoms. Furthermore, Tylenol is a key ingredient in many combination products. These often combine acetaminophen with other medications to address multiple symptoms simultaneously, such as decongestants, antihistamines, or cough suppressants in cold and flu remedies, e.g., Tylenol cold flu. While convenient, these combination products underscore the importance of label reading. Taking a separate pain medication like Tylenol while also taking a multi-symptom cold medicine could inadvertently lead to exceeding the safe daily limit of acetaminophen, emphasizing the need for vigilance, responsible use, dispelling myths and ensuring safety. Despite its widespread use, some misconceptions about Tylenol persist. For instance, it is sometimes mistakenly grouped with NSAIDs, leading to confusion about its effects. As discussed, Tylenol primarily targets pain and fever without significant anti-inflammatory action, and it is generally much gentler on the stomach than NSAIDs. Understanding these distinctions is vital for making informed health choices. The journey of Tylenol from a niche pharmaceutical to a global over-the-counter powerhouse is a testament to its effectiveness. However, its accessibility also places a significant responsibility on the consumer. Education campaigns like Know Your Dose have been instrumental in raising awareness about the risks of acetaminophen overdose. Always store medications safely, out of reach of children, and never hesitate to consult a healthcare professional if you have questions about appropriate use, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Responsible use is not just about avoiding harm. It's about maximizing the benefits of this powerful medication while safeguarding your health. Tylenol remains an invaluable tool in our collective pursuit of comfort and well-being, offering effective relief from common ailments when used judiciously. Its story is a powerful reminder that even the most accessible medications demand our respect and informed attention to ensure their benefits outweigh their potential risks. What role does responsible medication use play in your personal approach to health and wellness?